In front of me is Sonar Magic 7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on this red button at the bottom to start. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, tap on this right button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end and save your recording on the middle one. Now to play it, click on it. To manage it, use all of those options and click on those three dots at the top right corner. And to manage it from the list, hold it and operate all of those at the bottom, like for example rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!